the easiest bread in the world. Today, we're making the easiest bread in the world. And trust me, once you try it, you won't need to buy bread again. It's super simple, no kneading required, and anyone can do it. Let's get started. Ingredients: 500 grams all-purpose flour, 400 milliliters water, 2 teaspoons salt or 10 grams, olive oil. First, let's take our flour and put it in a bowl. Then add the yeast, salt, olive oil, and water, one by one. Stir everything together. And now, without kneading, we'll fold the dough inward, turning it over as we go. Now cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for 25 minutes at room temperature. While we wait, let's sip on a delicious cup of coffee. After 25 minutes, it's time to oil the dough and gently fold it from the outside in using a spatula. We'll let it rest for another 20 minutes at least. Once the second waiting time is over, we'll place the dough onto a floured surface. Don't forget to dust your board well so the dough won't stick.
Dört yeterli mi bölmek için?
Now, we'll divide the dough into 4 equal parts and transfer them to a baking sheet. Let's bake them at 220 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. If you've made it this far, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. They look so good. Let's see. Are they baked just the way I want them? Just crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside? Yes, exactly. And there you have it. Beautiful, warm, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, homemade bread. Bon appetit.